How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com, and today I'll be covering SVE's latest offering with their all-aluminum Overflow tank covering all 1986 to 1993 5-liter Mustangs. This Overflow tank from industry leader SVE will not only give you extra styling under your hood, but will also provide you with better peace of mind for your stock worn-out plastic tank. SVE has designed this tank to be a direct replacement for all of your factory 1986 to 93 5-liter applications, and these are designed to bolt to the OEM radiator shroud. We offer these tanks in a polished or a black finish for added underhood aesthetics. These will be constructed from aluminum. They will feature precision welds, which will provide added strength for your cooling system compared to the stock plastic option. SVE includes a new threaded cap, overflow hose, and a clear sight tube so that you can monitor your fluid levels. For any parts, warranty, or any info listed within this video, be sure to check out the description below or go to our website at LMR.com. Today in the shop we have this 1990 GT hatchback that we'll be working on. Follow along and we'll go over the step-by-step instructions on how to remove and install this new part. Some of the tools you will need will be an 8mm socket, a 1/4-inch ratchet, assorted screwdrivers, and a set of wire cutters. Before we begin, make sure you allow the vehicle you're working on ample time to cool down. Once the vehicle is cooled down, you can start by popping the hood of the car. To give you some extra work room, disconnect the battery and remove it from the vehicle. If your car has the low coolant sensor equipped, unplug this connection and then you can remove the cap and the sensor from the tank. Loosen and remove the two 8mm bolts holding the tank to the fan shroud. Remove the hose going from the tank to the overflow nipple near the radiator cap. Now you can fully remove the tank from the vehicle. Now that the tank is removed, take this time to inspect and clean the area. Because the SVE tank does not utilize the low coolant sensor, we chose to wrap the end of the electrical connector in a small plastic bag and then seal it up with some electrical tape. This is not 100% necessary, but it will help prevent any moisture in the plug. Now you can tuck the plug out of the way. Before going back in with the new SVE tank, set it on a clean work surface and thread off the cap. Then, using the supplied section of hose, slip one end through both of the eyelet tabs. And then press the hose over the lower nipple on the side of the tank. Now you can tuck the hose in the top of the tank. This will keep the hose from dropping down while installing it. Moving over to the vehicle, set the two lower tabs on the overflow tank into the two lower fan shroud retainers. Use a small section of electrical tape on the bolt head to help prevent the bolt from dropping into the engine bay. Now you can reinstall both of the 8mm bolts from the stock unit. Take the hose out of the top of the tank. Now make a few quick measurements next to the overflow nipple and trim the hose accordingly. Make sure to allow the hose to have enough room so it does not kink or bend. Now you can slide the hose on the radiator nipple. Using the section of hose that you cut off earlier, attach this to the upper nipple on the coolant tank. This will help redirect fluid flow back to the ground. Fill the tank back up with the fresh 50-50 mix of coolant. You want to make sure that the tank is roughly around 1/4 to 1/3 of the way up on the sight tube. Reinstall the cap and check over for any leaks. Test drive the car and you are all done. Alright everybody, wrapping things up. We hope this video has helped you have a better understanding of how to replace the overflow tank for your Fox Mustang. Overall, this one should roughly take you only about 30 minutes to complete. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and turn on notifications to keep you up to date with any new tech info we release. As you already know, make sure to keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.